Hello mga silingan, mauday ni ang part 2 sa vlog na ko ni Agi no. Sagsabot mi nga manglaag mi karon, unya bag ura pod mi naabot gikan sa lakaw namo. Namuradyo gulay kapoy ang inahan oy. Unya before ta mo gikan no, atimanon sa nato ni atong anak kay di nato ni piding biyaan nga nagkadungis. Siguraduhon nato nga ang atong anak maayo ra pod before ta mo biya, bitaw before ta maglaag-laag.
Where's the wolf? Where's the wolf?
Look at the turn shit. I'm gonna order stir fry, chicken stir fry, and that one is what do you call that one? Some club sandwich with some chips. Yeah.
Okay na ka nagano ko, ganan ka yung magpakain.
Yeah. Sprite na siya ha, di na ko joke. One more. Lamig.
Unya pag humana mo pangauno, busog na mi. Adto din mi sa Lidl kay mamalit na pud mig sima-sima kay mangulit mi sa balay kay magkaraoke mi.
Lidl, we're here. Ding, 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 ding. Naka-drive ka po ka? Yeah. Hi guys. So karon, naami karon sa sakyan sa akong amiga, then padung pauli nami sa balay. So siya akong kuyog kalaag, huldi ko kalaag. Uy, karon nahulat ko niya kay nagpatubil to ani bayad. So an lang ko ni kuyog uy kay ngano, ambot unsa nangaon after na mo nangaon. Nanginit kay ko ba gikan na diri sa liog taman sa ulo, din pulak akong dalunggan usa ka akong nakaon ana ko di man pud halang akong hikaon. Init ka sa ngatan akong lawas, init kasi surahon ko sa akong amiga, halaka unsa ka na. Siya ayaw na huna-huna oy. Pero ambot basin nana gid usahay ba nga mo kalit og kainit imong lawas pero di na ko ma-explain basta init jud kaayo while galakaw ko nawala din karon so sakyan ng init din. Basta pula kay akong dalungan diri. Unsa ka to pero okay naman pud akong gibati. Anyway, going home na mi. Wala mi nagdugay oy kay. Sayo kay kun mata ganina. Then mag-video mi karon pag uli sa balay. Akong duha ka bata to dito akong bana gabantay. Mag-karaoke, mag-video kay kabalo na ka Pinoy. Basta magkita-kita, mo rin ay happiness na to, no? Dayon ni hapit mig Aldi store, Lidl ba to? Kay, namait mig mga sima-simaon, chicheria, din palit mig wine nga, walay zero alcohol. So muna, kaming na siya dara. Di siya pa video, pero videohan ka po na ako kay remembrance. Kasi matigulang mi, namilang taon. Hala kay, nani di itsura na ako sa una, bata-bata pa mi. So, nagtabi ko ba? So, ingon ko nga, kuhan, imo ni sakyanan, din muli na mi. Anyway, makita nini mo sa vlog, one day, nag-upload na ako.
Yeah, true. I'm excited.
Uli na mi.
You found the light in me that I couldn't find. So when I'm all choked up, I can't find the words. Every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. But we try to rhyme. We don't know how to rhyme, but now we try. But all we know, you're where I wanna go. The part of me that's you will never find. So, una-una ko, magluto tag croquet cake. Yan. Namit kayo na siya, no? Ano kinabihan na ni kami sa kami.
Having a good time karaoke?
Huh?
Having a good time karaoke is cold.
Good times. Good times. Aidan. Cheers.
What would I give if I could live out of this water? What would I pay to send?
Na-receive ni mo? Ay. Na-receive ni mo?
I can take myself dancing, and I can hold my own hand. Yeah, I can love me better than you can. Can love me better, but I can love me better. Hey, you, Mr. Blue. What is like the Deja Vu? You want Deja Vu?
No, not that one.
What is that face? It does. Remember the sweat party?
What is that face? What is that face? Liwat kay ka mama. Liwat kay kasi mama. Gasigang mat. Who's that? Who you going on now? Saan di ka on? Ketchup!
Someone fall in love. Why you think that's? Think I have a hard time. Never put my line, never said yes to the right guy. Never had trouble getting what I want. When it comes to you, I never give it up. When I don't care, I can play it like a candle. Won't wash my hair. And then you bounce like a basketball. Don't you make me wanna act like a girl? Make my nails and wear high heels. Yes, you make me so nervous that I just can't hold your hand. So I put it my defenses up. It's not the right to fall in love. If I never did it, I think I'd have a heart attack. I think I'd have a heart attack.
You're
I think I'd have a heart attack. Put it my defenses up. Cause I don't wanna fall in love. If I never did it, I think I'd
Hi. Ethan, call her. Call her.
Aidan! Hi!
Hi,
Say bye-bye na. Say bye-bye na to Mama Cheryl.
Bye-bye.
Bye!
No, he's going home with me.
Bye! Yes, of course you can. You can take him. So I'll have a break. So I'll have a break for a while. Oh my gosh, how I love it. Joke. Oh,
Okay,
bye-bye.
bye-bye.
Now, Didi, let's say bye-bye now to... Oh, take it, yeah. Aidan. Aidan? Aidan, come to Mama. I'm your Mama. I'm your mother. You listen to me. I'm your mother. Aidan, you listen to me.
I'll go this way.
Because Mama Cheryl is going home now. You listen to me. Bye guys. So muli na ako ang very best tea. My very, very best tea here in Ireland.
I'm bringing home
Yeah.
Aidan with me.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Uli na siya.
Bye-bye.
So next time na po sila. Thank you for watching guys. Ah, pili mo dahil ng lanto. Okay.
No, I'm taking Aidan with me.
Oh,
Can I?
seriously?
I'm
I
serious.
would love to. Bye-bye, Mommy. Bye-bye. I'm taking to me. Bye. Okay, sugay na to, sugay na. Oh my God! Wala man pakialam! No? Ganahan dyan tayo mamuyok yun.
Okay,
So,
take him
Mama?
now and see his reaction after. Aidan, bye-bye.
Bye-bye now. Bye-bye now.
Come here.
This is so willing.
You're so willing.
Okay, thank you so
Okay,
much,
bye-bye,
Sheila.
Lai.
Oh, thank you
Take
for
care.
today, Jud.
Hoy,
You take care. Hoy, hoy.
Yeah,
Wag na. Bye! See ya! See ya! Nag-wave pa ka mo, oh. Karaon kayo. Karaon kayo. The shoes, look at the shoes. It's not properly. Ang shoes. Ang tawang shoes. Wala ganito. Uy, nag-bye-bye siya ni mo, Shi. Nag-bye-bye siya ni mo. Nag-bye-bye siya ni mo.
Bye-bye.
Nag-bye-bye siya ni mo. Okay, you go bye-bye na. Take care, okay? Amping. Hinay rahoy.
Hug, mama.
Bye, you take care, okay?
Bye-bye.
Oh. Labay sapat. Bye-bye. Love you.
Love you.
Hmm.